So we just came back from the Brisbane 4x4 show. It was good, it was amazing. A lot of this. Dude, these bugs are following me. Okay, too many bugs. We just got back from the 4x4 show in Brisbane. It was amazing, a lot of hammer builds, a lot of bull bars, a lot of suspension going on. So we thought, you know what? This is our work car. It does have the tray. Let's change it up a little bit. Let's do something with this car. We are going to do a H4X lift kit, 2 inches, some wheels and tires. I believe we have some KMCs going on. Look at all the bugs here. We are going to do some fender flares on here nicely. The EGR ones, so they're 30 mil, so our bar actually sits nicely on that car. So we're going to do the Atlas Series bull bar without hoops. We're going to do the Force 12 winch, and we're just going to make this car look beastly and actually belong in our parking lot.
We've done this millions of times, but here's the crazy part. Every single time, that same rush of excitement hits us like it's our very first time.
Look at all these goodies.
This build is about to get insane. We're transforming this boring Ranger into an absolute off-road beast. Buckle up.
There we have it, some KMC Archer wheels on some all-terrain Falcon tires. This is going to change the whole look and stance of this car. Can't wait to actually get them on.
All right, enough teasing. Time to build this beast. First up, this boring bumper's gone. Say hello to the Atlas Series bull bar. We have 2 teams tackling this build today. Team 1 is preparing the new bull bar, while the Team 2 is stripping down the entire front end. This is how you get things done.
So we do have the Astra light bar that's going on the front of this bar. It's already been mounted because it's easy to mount when it's off the car. Now for the Astra light bar, this is a 20 inch. We do have that middle part here. This is more of a spot, and the sides are more of a flood. So it's a nice light that gives a bit of mixture of light. Now, some of the things about this winch that I like is that the control box is right on top. You don't have to mess around on where you're going to put this control box. It's just nice, it fits there. You just plug it up and wire it up. And the fact that this remote as well, it's quite simple. Press the button for 3 seconds, turns on. You got the in and out for that, and you do have a magnet on the back, so this can actually stick on anywhere.
And it's crazy light, just 27 kilos. That's game changing compared to other brands. Speaking of recovery, you need proper recovery points. Time to bolt on these bulletproof hammer recovery points. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Remember, this is our company car, which means we need to go anywhere without getting stuck. These recovery points, they're rated at 3.5 tons. When you're buried axle deep in mud or sand, these bad boys will be your lifeline out.
Maybe what's on maybe the sound it's beating my heart.
Now the winch has been bolted onto the cradle. It's nice and secure. They are just about to wire up the winch, and at the same time they are going to wire the lights as well. It just saves time, it's more convenient. And over here we have an isolator switch as well. So they're getting a bracket and mounting, so it's hidden, but it's also at the same time easy to access, and it won't interfere with anything else that we have in the engine bay there.
Yes, winch is done. We're 60% through the front end, but hold up. We're still nowhere near finished. Still got suspension, wheels, snorkel, lights to tackle. This build's just getting started. From here on out, precision is everything. Every wire, every millimeter, it all matters now. Nobody said this will be easy. Time, precision, and yeah, we need a ruler. Okay, we're about to get obsessive here. Every angle, every side, it has to be absolutely dialed in. Because when you're done, this range is looking absolutely flawless. That's just how we roll. Lucky for us, we've got pros. Everything's dialed in perfectly. And now, the bash plate. While one team tackles the wiring and lights, the other crew is about to bolt on these Fender flares. So, we were gonna grab the EGR flares, but then we found these beauties hiding in our warehouse. No idea where these came from and no idea what brand they are.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wiring done. Now for the fun part. Time to bolt on these sequential lights. Best part, they're plug and play. So this will be quick and easy. Today's almost done. Just final touches on this front end. But tomorrow's gonna be crazy busy.
Finally, the bull bar is on here. The team done a great job. We are going to go for a test drive to make sure everything's functioning properly. Sonar, sensors, all those goodies. Now, tomorrow we're actually going to have the time to do that 2-inch lift kit, our wheels and tires on there, and we're going to do the Snorkel as well. I can't wait to actually finish the whole build because this is just the first day.
Tomorrow we tackle suspension, wheels, tires, work lights, that Snorkel. Even now it looks good, but wait till you see this beast fully transformed.
Hey, it's day 2, it's 9 in the morning, the guys are getting ready. Let's get to it.
Starting with these wheels, we are going to replace these stock ones with these bad boys. Time to ditch the boring stock setup. These old-fashioned wheels, gone. This factory suspension, history. Let's give this Ranger the H4X upgrade it deserves.
So it's going to be a bit boring now. We're just taking off this original suspension and we're about to go ahead and start putting the H4X suspension. But over here, we do have our Hilux back from the Brisbane show. It does have the new Nova rear bar, auto roller, sports bar. This one actually does already have that 2-inch lift because we've got the wheels and tires on there already. Show side steps, but the major difference is this front end. Front end is completely changed. We do have the new King Series bull bar on here. The approach angle is amazing. We have the winch on here as well, and it's completely changed the whole front end.
The N90 Hilux will be discussed another time in another video. So yeah, let's talk about that later. Back to the Ranger. Old suspension out, new suspension ready to drop in. No matter how many builds we've done, that fire still burns just as bright. Our team, they feel it too. That's the same passion, the same drive every single time. That's what makes the magic happen. Once we get this new suspension dialed in and mount these fresh wheels and tires, there's one crucial step left, wheel alignment. You can't skip this. Perfect suspension means nothing if your alignment is off. Time to get things tracking straight. We measure everything twice, every single time. Call us perfectionists, but when you want to have a certain stance and to have the car drive a certain way, you have to be accurate. We're in the home stretch now. Just a Snorkel and bonnet lights left to install. This Ranger's almost done.
The car is almost finished. We have got the Snorkel on there halfway, just doing some finishing touches. Also with the airbox, we are going to get a wheel alignment and let's check out this finished beast.
goes up must always come back down. But I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line, with you by my side I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine.
And we're all done. Let's have a look at the final look and transformation.
This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's how to be nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion. The game is in trouble. I've been in my depth for the piece of the puzzle. I got it for real. Still keep me going. I wake up and hustle. You won't see me buckle. I've been in the field. Man of the town. You been in your fields. I'm adjusting this crown. Call me your majesty. Either that or your tragedy. We shutting everything down. I'm being hot like somebody put a candle on. I'm off top. I don't really stand the pole. It's this mine. The moment is run out and start a bunch of pandemonium. Game, I got something skill.
There we have it, this build is finally done. The only thing I do want to change is these yellow lights into white lights so it suits the lights in our bar. Stay tuned, we are going to do a lot more content like this and see what we do next.
I don't wanna wake